Hey guys, what's up? I hope all of you are doing well. It's good to be back, and I have another video for you. So today's video I've partnered with Teddy Blake. I'm going to unbox and review a bag that was sent to me, which I'm very thankful to them. And I'm just going to let you guys know about how I feel, the quality, the price. So if you think you're interested, stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button down below. In case if you wish to follow me on my Instagram, my IG handle is rhythm_Mia. And yep, let's just get into the reviewing and unboxing, which I'm so excited about. So guys, I got this big box and let you guys know as to how I feel, what I think about the company. A bit about the Teddy Blake. It's a New York based brand and they make bags which are like of a super great quality. Wow, that is like a beautiful box, guys. So luxurious. I'm so excited to open it and to see what's inside for me. I've had a sneak peek, I won't lie, but yet I am excited to do a full-on review to let you guys know. This is how the box looks like. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I'm so excited to open this box, but just to let you guys know, they had beautiful shades online. They had lots of neutrals to the deepest of reds, and something that I was also actually confused between ordering this one or the deepest red, because I think that's great for the fall. And also they have, you know, from wallets to totes to satchels and much more. So let's open this box because I've been talking a lot. I'm so excited. So it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags, made in Italy, luxury leather. So guys, the one that I got, oh my god. Okay, let me put this box aside. Is this gorgeous neutral colored bag. This is the Bella Vitello 15-inch bag. They do come in two more dimensions. I think there is another one for 10 inches which has a lot of shade variety to choose from, and the other one is 12-inch, but I just got my hands on the 15-inch because I feel it's more versatile. I mean, you can take it to your office, or you can also, for that matter, put your Mac, put your iPads. And also I have a baby girl, so you know, sometimes those add-ons of a zipper or an extra change is something that I personally feel I don't have to carry something extra. I can put everything in here. This is the shade light beige. So they have a lot of collection where you can choose from. I picked up this one because I feel this is a very classic and a modern bag at the same time. Something that I wouldn't shy to carry on to a meeting or even to an airport. I think it's a pretty versatile like that. So coming on to bag description, it is a 15-inch bag, guys. It does come in with a strap and it has a golden hardware, which I love. They have the strap over here, which is of course adjustable as well as detachable. That's your call if you want to wear crossbody or probably just on the side, or even if you just want to carry it like a tote. Personally, I prefer to carry it like a tote because I feel that gives a more edgy look. I love the golden detailings. So let me pull out everything so that you guys can have a look from the inside. I feel it's basically the interiors that shows the quality of a bag, and something that I'm so happy to show you guys. It has a suede interior, guys. It looks fantastic. The quality looks beautiful. So they do have a golden button on the side, which you can definitely click to have a more structured look. It comes with two side pockets, if you can see, one on this side, one on the other side. And there are zips to secure it, which I think is a very good idea, and a very big area to keep your MacBooks or all your, you know, bulky stuff, your kids, probably a bottle of water. Or if you're not a pouch person, I think this is something that's very interesting, that you already have an inbuilt pouch. So I think that's a very cool idea. It's very handy. It's a beautiful color. I love the way they have their monogram over here and also over here. So these are the details which you can see, you know, shows the brand, it shows the quality. I do have a link in the description box in case you guys want to have a look. So I suggest you do check out the website, and also you could probably subscribe to the newsletter. You know, they have some great deals going on, and sometimes they go as a higher discount of 70%, which is like an awesome price for a very good premium quality bag. You know, guys, this is pure leather. It's made in Italy. I see the craftsmanship is beautiful. if I just bring it a little closer, you see all these detailings, these stitchings, is something, you know, these are the things that make a bag look much more classier. Now the question comes as to how you can maintain it. So to maintain the bag, they do provide us with a dust bag. So the dust bags looks like this. It's a beautiful quality dust bags, and guys, it's very important to secure your expensive, your premium quality handbag. I feel dust bags are so important because they help in maintaining your bag and keeping them clean and tidy, and this one is definitely a very good quality, so I'm sure this is where my Teddy Blake bag would be going into. My overall thoughts on this bag is, guys, that I feel it's very classic, it's very modern. I love the storage space. If 15 inch is something which is too big for you, you can definitely go for something which is like a 12 inch or also a 10 inch. To sum up, I love this bag. I think it's classic, it's modern, it's quite stylish, it can hold a lot of stuff, and I love the color. Also, I feel this baby is beautiful for transitioning from desk to dinner, so yeah. And also its versatility, I feel this kind of a bag can also be carried with a lot of looks. I am going to be adding a few more outfits just for you guys to know, to see how this bag looks. For instance, formal wear, your casual wear, or probably those airport looks. So I think this is the kind of a bag that goes with almost everything. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you liked my unboxing and my reviewing. I was so excited because to be honest, I do get sent a lot of packages, but I just don't want to show you anything and everything, and this was something that I related to, and I thought that this is a very good company, and also their products seem very good quality to me. If you'd like, you could use my coupon code. Everything will be in the description box below. And thank you so much, guys, once again for your support. And if there are any suggestions, any video requests, please let me know in the description box below. In case you wish to follow me on Instagram, my IG handle is rhythm_Mia. I do post a lot of outfit inspo, so thank you so much once again, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe and keep YouTubing. Bye.